Hi everyone, welcome to Written All Over Your Face. Working in radio and podcasting, things have definitely changed during the pandemic. I'm no longer interviewing or reporting on site, and that makes me wonder, are there things I'm missing from in-person interactions? What if there was tangible information that we could extract and analyze beyond the surface of the ear? Information like emotions from our audio signals alone. In the visual domain, we've already got this idea down. We can distinguish the 7 facial universal microexpressions, or the 7 fumes for short. There's happiness, sadness, fear, anger, contempt, disgust, and surprise. Our brains are extraordinary. They take in these expressions and convert them into data used to infer certain emotions. So how exactly does the brain do this? At Rutgers SMIL, researchers made a digitized face map where they measured different kinematic trajectories from pixels on facial regions. Referencing the 7 fumes, we could track the micro-movement velocities of each pixel on a gamma parameter plane. Then we compute the probability distribution functions to parse out personalized signatures of these expressions. As you can see, we can track the micro-expressions dynamically, like when the person talks in a narrative. Here we have emotional micro-expressions from an actor, but we could even extend this to others like politicians in a debate. Now, imagine gaining the audio of this narrative and analyzing it using MATLAB's MIR toolbox. We could find signatures of each of the 7 fumes, what I like to call vumes. Think about measuring different features of the sound, like pitch, intensity, and timbre. So you're probably thinking, that's cool, Hannah. We can integrate these audio biomarker signals into data that can be compared across different emotions for an individual, as well as different populations. But how can this help us? Of course, as a podcast producer, this would help me discern the emotions of interviewees more accurately. I could even test this by asking them how they're feeling at the end. Most of the time, the only information we gain is audio, so this could help Rutgers counselors better discern things that lie beyond our direct attention. Also think about how this could help social and behavioral researchers collect data and teachers checking in with their virtual classrooms. When we're miles away from each other, we could use all the help we can get to better understand our feelings. With this stochastic analysis, I'd be able to show that there's more beyond the surface of speech. Ultimately, there's more to a human being than what you perceive on a Zoom call. Finally, I'd like to thank the Sensory Motor Integration Lab for all their support. This is your host, Hannah, signing out.